we interrupt this holiday to bring you an update vlog. Quite a few of you have been sending messages and asking how I've been getting on with the Auto-Vox camera. So you know what, I'm going to put a quick vlog together so I can update you guys on how it's gone so far. Hello and welcome to Caravan Escapades. Hope everybody's keeping safe and well. Well, this isn't going to be too much of a long vlog. What I want to do is give you an update on the Auto-Vox reversing camera, or the rear view camera. So it's on the back there. Now I've done well over 1,000 miles, about 1,050 miles so far since we left home in the UK, and it's worked exceptionally well. It's been absolutely brilliant. It's been really good. It's been ideal for reversing on pitches, but particularly on the roads over the Alps, understanding who's behind me, looking out for people when they're going to overtake, having it on when helping me pull in once I've been going past lorries and that sort of stuff. Have there been any issues with it? There have been a couple of very small slight issues, but those that can easily be resolved. Now the first one is I'm going to get some Rain-X and put it over the lens, and the reason being for that is the first day that we were driving within France, there was quite a heavy rainpour, and what was happening was the rain was pooling on the lens. Now whether that would be because of the airflow around the back of the Caravan, the way the lens was, it was only in the rain, and the rain was pooling on the lens and making it really virtually impossible to see out the back of the camera. So I'm going to get some Rain-X and I'm going to put it on that, and I'm sure that will basically cure that problem. Just a case of putting some sort of water repellent on that to stop the water pooling up. The other thing, so I tell you what, so the Caravan's here, look, so the Caravan's here, the car's all the way over here, so we'll just wander over to the car, and what I want to show you is the monitor. I am going to, in fact, what I'll do while I'm walking over here, let me interject a little video here that Claire took while we were driving from the monitor. I'll see you in a minute. So you'll have to excuse me because Claire's just leaning across the front of me holding the camera. So that's the view you get of the camera. I'm driving at the moment. The image is pretty clear, it's pretty good. Claire, can you get any closer?
Hang on.
No. Oh.
Hang on.
Oh, this is a bit dodgy, but there we go. So yeah, that's the view you're getting from the camera. All seems to work quite well. Comes on for 2 minutes. Yeah, there you go. So now you're back from watching that. It is pretty impressive, isn't it? So let me just get into the car here and let's get this thing powered up. So as you know, there's the monitor there. So let me just put the ignition on. That should come on. So that, you'll see that start to power up now. So there we go. Now what's really impressive here is I've been using this for 4 days, 5 days, and we're still at full charge. Now it did, just before we got here today, drop down to 2 bars on there, down from 3, but it's charged itself back up again. You can see it's pretty clear, but look, we're all the way over here. I mean, the Caravan is all the way over there, look, all the way over there, and we're still getting a clear signal from the monitor now. And to be fair, what I've also, in fact, let me come out of the car, what I also found was I've had a signal from well over 100 meters, 150 meters or more. Not that you're ever going to need that sort of distance, but it's incredible the distance you can get from this wireless camera. Really is good. The other thing I had a very slight issue with was a little bit of glare on the screen at times, but only very minor. And the other thing I suppose I don't like is the current mount, where you've kind of got this stick mount there. What I'm going to look for is I'm going to look to see if I can find myself some sort of screen mount, something where it'll probably clamp around the back of there and I can stick it on the screen. But apart from that, let me just turn the car off. apart from those couple of minor things, the thing has been absolutely exceptional with the field of view, and all those sorts of things have been great. That's the car locked. The other thing, obviously, that I ordered just before we left, and which didn't come in time. In fact, let me walk back over and I'll show you what I mean. I ordered that second camera so that I could add that second camera to the system. So we'll just walk over here and I'll show you where that mounts. And this was the original camera that my friend had got and that I'd seen. So there's another camera that I can get, quite a small thin camera. I've already ordered it, and it will fit and mount just here, so it'll look straight back. So that'll give me the straight back view, and I've got the view up there. But you know, that one's been absolutely fine. So Auto-Vox, from me, it's a big thumbs up. Right, I'm going to leave that one there then. As I said before, it's only quite a short one. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Hit that notification bell and you'll be notified when we put out more vlogs. And we're away in France, so we will get vlogs edited and put out to you at some time very soon. Thanks very much, and we'll see you on the next one.